Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are comparing two incredibly powerful AI tools, Deepseek and ChatGPT. Whether you are interested in data science, AI, or simply curious about how these tools can make your work easier, we have got you covered. And stick around because we will also talk about how RKIT Arena is helping students learn and dive deeper into these fields. Deepseek is a cutting-edge AI-powered search engine built for data-driven insights. Unlike traditional search engines that just pull up websites, Deepseek dives deep into the datasets and databases, finding relevant, accurate information that goes beyond surface-level results. It's perfect for data scientists, researchers, and analysts who need to extract specific data points from complex data. So, whether you are searching a niche topic or looking to analyze large data sets, Deepseek helps you find the most relevant and specific results quickly, saving you tons of time. Next up is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is developed by OpenAI. ChatGPT is an AI language model designed for natural language understanding and generation. It can do a wide range of things from answering questions, writing essays, generating creative content, and even coding. It's all about human-like conversations and assistance. Unlike Deepseek, ChatGPT is built for dynamic conversation and interactive learning. Need help brainstorming ideas, solving coding problems, or just chatting about your favorite hobbies? ChatGPT is always ready to assist with a human touch. Deepseek is ideal for those who need data accuracy and depth. It helps you search through massive datasets, research papers, and other sources to find highly specific, relevant results. It's a tool built for precision. Think of it like having a supercharged search engine for researchers, analysts, and data scientists. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is built for versatility. It can generate text, write stories, assist with coding, or even explain complex topics in a conversational way. Whether you need help with brainstorming, customer support automation, or generating content for your business, ChatGPT can assist with almost anything. So, while Deepseek is all about accuracy in niche field, ChatGPT is all about helping you create, learn, and interact. If you are someone working in a research, data science, or analyst, Deepseek is perfect. It allows you to find highly relevant, precise data points within large and complex datasets. If you are trying to extract meaningful insights from a sea of data, Deepseek is the tool for you. Now, if you are someone who needs to tool for creative writing, content generation, coding assistance, or even customer service automation, ChatGPT is your go-to assistant. It's incredibly flexible and it excels at conversational AI, making it perfect for students, writers, entrepreneurs, and developers. So, how does RKIT Arena tie into this? If you are a college student or someone looking to learn more about AI, RKIT Arena offers incredible opportunities. They provide free internship in data science, generative AI, and AI in digital marketing. Whether you can get hand-on experience with tools like Deepseek and ChatGPT, these internships help you apply theoretical knowledge to real-world projects, and you will get guidance from industry experts who will teach you how to leverage these tools effectively in your career. Great for data-heavy searches, accurate results based on large datasets, ideal for researchers and data scientists. Limited in interactive conversation, not designed for general purpose text generation. ChatGPT Pros, versatile, helps with writing, coding, problem solving. Provides human-like interactions, ideal for students, business owners, and creators. ChatGPT Pros may not be as precise in specialized data queries, not as data-driven as Deepseek. Deepseek is perfect for anyone needing data accuracy and insight extraction, while ChatGPT is your best friend when you need creative assistance or just a conversational partner to bounce ideas off. And if you are looking to learn more about these tools and gain hands-on experience, don't forget to check out RKIT Arena's amazing internship opportunities.